Okay, in this session I wanted to discuss what is a pip. It's a percentage in point. In MT4 or MT5, when you do click on Ctrl F, right, you get this crosshair, right? It's important to understand what a pip is. On the right hand side, you can see right now we are sitting at 1.18473. A pip is usually a 0.0001. Is one of the last digits, right? Which is almost like the 7, and then it changes to a 6, and then it goes down to a 5 and a 3, etc. Right? It's basically a 1 in 100th of a pip, right? So let's say we want to. The price is currently at 1.842, and if the price moves to 1.848, that means that we have moved 6 pips, right? Maybe let's try a bit of a round number, not a round number, but let's say the price moves from 1.1855, and if it moves to 1.1860, that means that we have moved 5 pips, right? This crosshair is also very useful in that when you hold the crosshair down, if you in your mouse, you click, right? And you either move to the right, to the top, or any way away from the center, right? Just want to explain what all these numbers mean, right? This information, it's you don't find it pretty much anywhere. Right now, we're sitting at 0, right? With 1.1866, right? That's where the current price is. If you want to know the first digit that's changing from a 1 to a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? They're the number of candles, right? They're this counts the number of candles across from the center of the crosshair, right? If you move down, right, they're the number of pips. So right now it's a 6 pips, 7 pips, 8 pips, 9 pips, 10 pips, 11 pips, right? If you ever wanted to know how big a candle is, right, just roughly, you hold it from the top to the bottom, and this candle is roughly about 15 pips long, right, in size, right? The body of that candle is 15 pips long, right? If you want to know how many candles there are from the center of the crosshair to the left, there are 7 candles. Or if you want to go from this point to this large candle here, there are 18 candles, right? It measures the distance, yeah? So hopefully you learned something here that's very, very useful, okay? And we'll see you soon.